This is your local forecast, weather information you can plan on, because we show it on the 8s of every hour. Local on the 8s on the Weather Channel.
The sun has fallen at an unexpected time of day. Stand by for further information from our astrologers. There has been an ongoing dimming of our sun. Stand by for safety instructions. Important safety instructions. If you are in a home, close all windows and rely on artificial lights in your home. If you are in an area such as the street, go to any light in the area, such as street lights or in a public building. If you are camping or in the wilderness, rely on a portable flashlight. If you have no light in the wild, hide immediately. We will inform you when the event has ended. Please follow the instructions. The event has now ended. Thank you for listening in and relying on safety, our #1 goal. You are so awesome. You are so awesome. You are so awesome.